NETSCOUT's nGenius performance management platform provides a scalable deep packet inspection approach to help identify the root cause of Zoom performance issues and rapidly restore service levels and improve user experience. The nGeniusONE dashboard shows the performance of enterprise services and highlights some critical notifications on the Zoom service. At first glance, there are issues with Zoom video, audio, and screen share. Tracking each event further identifies that packet loss is the issue affecting the Zoom user experience. The next level of detail is Media Monitor, which will help us identify the root cause and who is affected. This will allow for remediation to be quickly put in place. We track by locational community and each Zoom service with our UC metrics. We see number of calls, QoS issues, single direction, packet loss, jitter, and so on. Focusing on packet loss and sorting by the percentage of calls it affects, we can establish that calls from our Zoom service in the cloud are degraded. We can also establish that the media from locations in Portland and Nashville are fine. Next, let's track this by location to see which are affected by the traffic from the Zoom cloud traffic. Conversation View reveals impact from Zoom with 48% of the calls from Zoom to Portland affected with packet loss. The Nashville location is fine. Stream View can show us more detail. Sorting by packet loss reveals that the media streams Codex H.264 from Zoom to Portland are all being affected by packet loss. In this case, these are the screen share streams. Now with single call view, we get an enhanced view of the user conversation, bringing together the streams for the call, the video, the screen share, and the audio. This provides a handy view explaining the cause of loss and jitter coming from Zoom. We have even more network detail presenting both average and maximum consecutive loss, which is far better than just packet loss when it comes to understanding the impact of Zoom user experience. All this information builds up a picture and a story of what's going on and who is being affected. In this case, it was network impairments from Zoom impacting users. nGeniusONE provides the necessary evidence to allow IT teams to collaborate with other operational teams that are managing the end-to-end service, whether they be SaaS service itself, something in the ISP, or something to do with other parts of the infrastructure that Zoom depends on. Once again, this level of analysis and the ability to significantly reduce MTTR only exists when you have packet-level analysis and DPI at scale from every edge of your enterprise. And again, only NETSCOUT's nGenius performance management platform can deliver this for you. We'd love to tell you more about this new and revolutionary way of monitoring every edge of your enterprise to solve even the most complex problems.